Hello, everybody. So this week we are going to go over a program called Multiplying Good. Multiplying Good is a program that essentially looks at service as a way to transform communities, people, communities, to help broaden their skill sets, connect with each other, build empathy, and essentially help overall as a solution to what we're seeing in today's world. So I kind of like what they have here. The service offers a solution, talking about the issues we face in the country, all the things that are mounting. Service connects us. It provides opportunities for us to grow as individuals. It transforms us. It makes us more active members of society, and it creates stronger, more connected communities. So it connects, it feels good, and it's great for your community. And it also builds skills. So a lot of things we see in today's world with young people especially is they don't necessarily have the skills. Sometimes it's hard to get a job. So I kind of like this little blurb right here talking about 50% of CEOs struggle to find employees with the skills that drive workplace success. Service delivers those skills such as empathy, understanding of difference, project management, communication, and results orientation. So that's really important today. So if you're able to drive a project from start to finish and help your community, that shows a lot to employers. So getting involved in your communities, getting involved with Multiplying Good to do this type of service is great. So this program is really targeted for a lot of young people under 25. So definitely go out to the people that are younger and try to share this video with them if you can. You can also, there's also other ways to partner and donate. So I'll get into that here shortly. Here's some different personal growth, different things that have happened in the past. There's different awards, corporate service, youth service it talks about here. And if you do donate, every dollar of charitable donation generates $70 of community impact. So if you are not getting involved, you can just donate if that's something you wish to do. So let's go look at some of their programs that they have. So right here, our programs give young people the tools, skills, and confidence to make a difference and create maximum impact on things they care about most, and explore how you can get involved. So essentially what they're doing here is they try to encourage young people to serve others. And some of the statistics, 94% of you said we empowered them to make a difference. 88% of you said they grew as a leader. Pretty great statistics there. So service, I think is a really great thing to do. Sometimes you can't get internships or jobs and you need something to get involved in communities. So this is a great way to build your skills and get connected. So just some skills that they get: leadership skills, connection, career readiness, empathy and understanding. So a proven path for purpose and impact through service. So really great. There's ways to partner with them, which we'll get into as well. So one of their main programs is called Students in Action. I'll just read the blurb right here. Students in Action is a unique youth service, leadership, and recognition program that supports, trains, and empowers today's youth to be leaders, problem solvers, entrepreneurs, and impactful global citizens. You become an expert in service and engage in projects of their own. Use your leadership skills and expand your volunteer capacity in schools and communities, and you can also get recognized in awards as well. Some program goals: prepare, investigate, execute, reflect, share, and celebrate. And looking at the statistics, we have 77,000 young people were mobilized by SIA participants to engage in service. 87% of you see improved leadership and communication skills. And some of the things they do is team-based work that you're doing in your communities. You go to different training conferences, you're continually learning, and you can also get awards from doing these different service and presenting as well. Here's a couple of the groups that got awards from this. So Brownsville Area High School, Dara Akam team completed 29 projects, engaged one of their peers, and Say Joke. You guys can check these out on their site a little bit more. And here's some frequently asked questions. This is all free, by the way, all the SIA program. This section, we're going to talk about some of the corporate partnerships. So a good way for companies to get involved is to actually partner. Doing this creates better cultures, better business, stronger communities, helps to enhance people's skills as well. So this is just one company, Citizens Energy Group. Citizens Energy Group supports the youth programming, engages, activates, and celebrates employees, and they build community through service. So if this is something you're interested in doing as a corporate partner, feel free to check this out. There's some of their partners here. And the last section here is just talking about some of the youth training, so service learning, customized training, and the social entrepreneurship training. Just 8,500 trained last year, 85% said they grew as a leader. So some of these programs actually cost money, as you can tell. So if you go to the frequently asked questions, but so feel free to check that part out too. Overall, I think this program is pretty good. So I'm going to put the link below if you want to check them out. Feel free to do that. If you know people that are trying to get involved or don't have a lot going on for them now, want to build skills, I think this is a good program. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out and I'll get back to you next week. Thank you.